You understand that life is cool when nobody knows anything about you. The allure of mystery and the tranquility of privacy are signs of maturity. You're comfortable being yourself, without the need for validation or approval from others. Next, you embrace consistency and discipline, not motivation and self-help books. It's not about momentary bursts of inspiration, but about showing up day after day, doing what needs to be done. Moreover, you let people win arguments on purpose to conserve your mental health. You choose peace over being right. This is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength and emotional intelligence. You've trained your mind to master your feelings and control your ego. You understand that your emotions are not your enemies but signals, and you're not afraid to confront them. Forgiveness is another sign of maturity. You have forgiven your parents and loved them as they are. You understand their imperfections and appreciate their efforts. You no longer entertain family members and friends who've zero ambition in life. It's not about being superior, but about surrounding yourself with positivity and growth. You don't force your beliefs on people. You understand not everyone thinks the same way you do. Accepting diversity of thought is a sign of intellectual maturity. When things go out of plan, you've trained your mind to stay calm. You understand that life is unpredictable, and you've learned to adapt. You never force anyone to choose you. Instead, you let people do whatever pleases them. You value freedom and autonomy both for yourself and others. You have realized that you are not responsible for anyone's happiness but your own. You understand that each person is in charge of their happiness. You don't allow pain to destroy you. Instead, you build strength from the pain. You've learned to turn obstacles into opportunities for growth. You've mastered the art of taking action without waiting for the right time. You understand that there's no perfect moment, and the best time to start is now. You no longer stress about other people's opinions. You understand that what others think of you is none of your business. You're smart enough to realize news, politics, and cheap dopamine are the worst distractions toward your goals. You focus on what truly matters to you. Lastly, you have trained yourself to take nothing personally to protect your mental health. You understand that people's actions and words are often about them, not you. In summary, maturity is about understanding, embracing, letting go, training your mind, forgiving, choosing your circle, respecting diversity, staying calm, valuing freedom, taking responsibility, building strength, taking action, ignoring opinions, focusing on your goals, and protecting your mental health. Remember, maturity isn't about age, it's a mindset.